EuroTone Construction. From the concept to creation. Welcome to this fabulous residence located in Richmond Hills, one of the most sought-after neighborhood. Would a new exterior cladding and a little extra framing change the look of a house? Well, this gorgeous home wasn't always as stunning as it is now. Its average-looking brick exterior and outdated entry really called for an update. So, this is where our team got into the picture. So the journey has begun. Again, we transformed an everyday house into a magnificent custom home, featuring a gorgeous exterior finish with a combination of stone and stucco, 2 beautiful covered porches, custom glass enclosures, recessed LED lights, decorative stucco pillars, and many more. Front entries or porches are a focal feature of a home's exterior and can create a statement and add curb appeal from the street. Yes, we can turn your dreams to reality by transforming your home into the breathtaking residence you always wanted. Changing your home's exterior can improve its looks, saleability, and value, but it needs to be done carefully. We are here to help. Whether you're a homeowner building a new home or want to repair or accentuate your existing structure, it would be our pleasure to be your choice. Our reputation is second to none in the heart of our satisfied customers we do business with. EuroTone Construction. From the concept to creation.